Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So on the XRP chart, we are getting rejected currently in our resistance area. The resistance area is unchanged, was communicated in the last video. It's defined between 59 cents and 62 cents. And because we couldn't break above this resistance area, at least not sustain there, we couldn't break above this trend line, we have to expect a larger correction to be unfolding. And let's talk about how this could unfold. So one scenario is that this is just a large A, B, C structure, and the C wave would unfold as a diagonal pattern because the rally from the 5th of August low higher to the 7th or 8th of August high is just an A, B, C structure. So it could be wave 1 of a diagonal pattern. Then this would be a wave 2 as an ABC flat correction. It would need to form a higher low and hold above the August low that was located or that formed around 43 cents. Then we can watch for a third wave rally, 4 and 5. This third wave needs to break above 63.2 cents, which is the recent high, and a break above the July high at 66 cents is required as well. That would be the only direct pathway higher that I see as a large A, B, C structure that's unchanged from the previous video, but it didn't manage a direct breakout, so we're likely just forming a flat correction in wave 2. Then we go. The problem is that the rally from the 5th of August low is a clear 3-wave pattern. That's not a surprise, given that I've highlighted repeatedly that that XRP likes to avoid to form 5-wave structures. XRP loves these 3-wave structures, and that doesn't give us a very clear indication of where things are going, right? That's the problem. So that's why we remain in these corrective patterns on the XRP chart. So the forecast is always that the correction is set to continue until we see a decent 5-wave move. Because with a 3-wave move, you don't really get that confidence of where the trend is going. The trend might not go anywhere, so it's just sideways. It's essentially what we've seen over recent months, actually the last year. Just corrective up and down patterns, overlapping mess, and this is again just overlapping mess. Whether this is turning into the direct pathway to the upside or whether it's forming a triangle as shown here in white, we will have to see, because first of all, only a 5-wave move up will give us an indication that we're going up. Or at least some kind of a breakout to the upside, which so far it's also not managed to do. Again, in any case, it needs to hold above the August low to keep any bullish scenario alive. Either a direct move up or, and that's the alternative scenario, the B wave didn't finish here on the 5th of August, but is unfolding still as a triangle, will finish here. And the triangle pattern is always a 5-wave move. In this case, a contracting triangle, and it would be labeled as an A wave, a B wave. We could now be forming a C wave, then a D wave, and an E wave, always lower highs and higher lows. And it would probably take a few weeks to play out, okay? Maybe even a couple of months before we then go up. But again, that's not a high confidence pattern. Triangles morph and change and so on. So without a 5-wave move, it's difficult, but we have our range boundaries, the low of August and the 66 cent level to the upside. But at the moment, this is just sideways, okay? I would say be prepared for a move down a little bit lower. If this is yellow wave 2, then the micro support region to watch is defined pretty much between, so that's if yellow wave 2 is unfolding here. I would have to move it to the right a little bit. So micro support for yellow wave 2. And again, it could also be a triangle, that it might not respect the fib levels so well. If it's a wave 2, 54.5 cents, 51.8 and 49.3 cents. Looks as if it might test at least the A wave low again, which was located here around 54 cents. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.